a layout, the intention is to provide a landscape plan for this area that we trace through that zone. The drawing, as you can see from the text, has been rotated to give the right aspect ratio for the designer, and the designer would like to work in landscape space, roughly the area denoted by the rectangle that I've added. So if we go into Format and Layout, I'll create another layer, just call it Layout 1 for the moment, and we'll set it up as an A1 sheet. But importantly, we'll nominate Landscape. If we click Landscape and OK, if we go to Layout 1, right click and Zoom Extents, you can see we're looking at the layout displayed in Landscape View on a landscape sheet. What I'll now do is return back to the model. I'll eliminate that rectangle that I've drawn. If I go back in here into Layout, we can begin work laying garden beds out and so on in that space, and whenever we display the design, it will appear in this space. To change the view of what we see, just double click in here, and I would advise against rotating your view. Just either shrink the view and reposition it as you need, and then right click and display it on a layer, right click and deactivate. The only other step that I want to take, I suspect, is to rotate. We could pick, we need to click the 1 up here so that we can pick those two, and then rotate -90. That brings the text rotated into position. So you've got a little bit of work to do on the text, but as soon as that's done in layout space, it appears. You might not require these survey levels, so you could turn off the survey level if required. So that provides a mechanism for working in this area and laying out firstly your concept plan and then some detailed landscape information. So I hope that helps.